Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today's video is also going to be very beneficial for you. In this video, we will teach you if someone hits a knife like this way during a fight, then how to defend yourself and which is the best techniques for you. So let's start the video. If someone hits a knife like this way and you block in this position, cross arm position, this is not a valid technique because in this position, your arm can cut off with a slight mistake. So this technique is not very effective. And if you take a front side position, this is also dangerous for you because in this position your shoulder can be cut. Now I will teach you the best technique. If he hits a knife, you will take the opposite side position like this block, as you can see in the video. Watch again. Now I will show you from the other side like this. Now step number 2. Here you will do quickly punch on his face like this way. Now step number 3. You will grab his arm and lock his arm in this way, as you can see in the video. Watch very carefully. Now keep your knee in this position, throw him down and snatch the knife from him. Guys, now I will show you this technique once more time so you can understand better. Step number 1, side position, hit punch, lock his arm and throw him down in this way. Guys, now I will show you this technique in fast motion. Guys, hope you like this video, and if you want to learn more interesting videos, then subscribe our channel and share our video with your friends and press the bell icon. Thank you.